Ever look at a blank couch or an uninspired bedroom and think it just needs a little soul? We have all seen those mass-produced, factory-made throw that lose their fluff after one wash. But what if your home decor could tell a story? What if it could feel like a warm hug? Welcome back, design lover. Today we are diving into the ultimate cozy aesthetic, handcrafted crochet blankets that don't just warm up a room, they completely transform it. Whether you are looking to elevate your own space or hunting for the perfect unforgettable gift, we have created the ultimate design lookbook to inspire your next home upgrade. Trust me, you will want to stay until the very end because design number 5 is a total game changer for modern spaces. Let's get cozy. First up, let's talk about a style that is taking over interior design feeds everywhere, the modern boho texture throw. Gone are the days when crochet meant stiff, scratchy granny squares from the 70s. Today, boho style is all about rich, tactile luxury. We are talking chunky waffle stitches, gorgeous bubble that pop right off the fabric, and dramatic oversized fringes. Notice how using a single solid neutral color like cream, soft terracotta and sage greens let the texture do all the things. It's adds instant depth to a minimalist room, it's effortless, it's earthy and it's practically begs you to curl up with a good book. If your style leans a bit more geometric, modern, sleek and mid-century, this next one is for you. Say hello to contemporary geometric color blocking. This style uses clean lines, chevrons or block abstract shape to create a literal piece of art for your furniture by combining unexpected color palettes like depth navy, blush pinks with charcoal gray. These blankets act as a statement pieces. Think of it as a canvas but made of premium ultra soft yarn. Draping one of these over the back of the plain gray sofa instantly elevate the entire room from basic to bouquet style hotel. Now let's take a nostalgic turn to a modern twist, the heirloom category blanket. Yes, the classic granny square is back, but it has received a massive glow up instead of a aquatic scrap yarn blanket of the past. Today's heirloom blankets use curated color stories, think soft vintage pastel, romantic florals or moody jewel tones. Each square is meticulously stitched together to create a vintage category vibe that feels deeply personal. This is the kind of blanket that doesn't just sit on bed, it's get passed down through generation. It's nostalgic, charming and add instant warmth to any space. For those who believe luxury is filling, feast your eyes on the